Hello, brother and sister. Today I will going to give a review for a simple thing that with my need for everyday use. Like example for opening up the box package or etc. And as you can see, the cutter in front of us. This is brand from Workpro, made in China. And at the back it also have a clip for clip into the pocket. And here is how to open it up. Pull left side, here is the cutter. This strap I tie it by myself for easy to locate. And here is how to open it up. Just pull up the knob in here, you can see. When you pull up, then your left finger slightly pull the blade. Here is the blade, and I will measure up the blade and how length of the blade. Here is the width of the blade, and the length would be 'and the middle hole would be around here is about 11.5. Okay, now we are going to return back. Same method, pull up the button. Now I will going to measure it, the length, the total length, 13 centimeter, 11 and a half, and the width would be around 2.1 centimeter. .3 millimeter. And the clip, and measure with the clip is 1.1 centimeter. So now we are going to scale the cutter. Here is how to close the cutter. Push the lever at the bottom, you see, at the bottom here. Then you can slowly return the blade. $53. And how it works? How sharp? I mean. Of course, this depends on the quality of the blade. This is just a sample. When you are going to use for scrap paper, very easy, smooth, and slippery. The blade is very good quality. Okay, I think that's all our review for a simple cutter from Workpro. Thank you for watching this video.